HTML forms are used to collect user input. The form element defines an HTML form. HTML form contains form elements. Form elements are different types of input elements, checkboxes, radio buttons, submit button, and more. Let's just quickly dive into a demo to get to know how to design HTML forms. As you can see, the input type text defines one line of input field for text input. The input type password defines a password field. The input type radio defines a radio button. So we can have one of the two options that can be selected. And the next input type is checkboxes, where it is nothing but the multiple options that can get selected. And we have another input type called as submit, which is nothing but a type of button. So if we see here, if we type a name here, it appears as a name. Whatever that we type here appears as a password, and this can be either selected, only one can be selected. This, however, can both be selected. And next, there is another input type called as the submit button. So the form handler, if you can see, this is nothing but called as the form handler. The form handler is typically a server page with a script for processing input data. The form handler is specified in the form's action attribute. The action attribute defines the action to be performed when the form is submitted. The common way to submit a form is to a server is by using the submit button. Normally, the form is submitted to a web page on a web server. The server-side script is specified to handle the submitted form. If the action attribute is omitted, the action is set on the current page. This ends our discussion with respect to HTML. Thank you for taking time to watch the video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.